I just love the rain. And this is why I stress having well-draining soil. Do you think I'm going to run out there and move all these pots? No. You need to plan for the worst. I can't stress that enough. I know the plants love it as much as I do. After it rains generally, everything just comes back to life. Everything shoots up. This is high oxygenated water. If you're in a desert, make sure you have a way to catch that rain. These barrels have multi-functions. Put them in the choke points in the areas where you know the water is going to hit the most. To keep things warm in the winter, and when rainy season hits, I have these guys to catch that water. I'll take this time to go and wipe things down after it rains. Kind of clean everything up. I just love the smell. You love the smell? I've got about 4 barrels full of water. Free, clean water. No contaminants, no human chemicals. Just oxygenated water. Let's be conscious of our surroundings. We have a drought in Vegas. Not only does it save money, but it helps the environment. Like, share, do all the things. Let's help each other out. This is about love. Let's grow together.